Hello everybody, welcome to week 2 of the course here, and I got a real short video for you here. Depending on where you're at, and I think most of us are having the bad weather, and it made me think of the topic of perseverance. And so again, wherever you're at, you're probably facing some bad weather right now, and so that's where the topic perseverance, because we had, no matter the weather, we have to get through it. So, and that kind of what life is about too. Life throws things at us, we persevere, we get through it. The thing is, you don't give up, you don't quit. And so whatever is going on in your life, if there's all these obstacles and things, like bad weather, we don't give up, we don't quit. We just, we focus on accomplishing our goals, whatever they may be. All right, so that's my short uh, snippet for you this week. And take care, everybody. All right, welcome to week 2 here. Again, congratulations. You're getting close. And then my previous minute there on perseverance. I mean, you're persevering. You're getting through it. Got 4 more weeks. So real quick, each week here, you're building upon. With the exception of this first week, moving forward every week, you're just continuing to build your final paper. All right. So make sure now. One of the things. You need to make sure is the pay what you're submitting every week. Like week 1 paper should have your title page, a table of contents laid out, the format. All right, not just, I mean, yeah, you're doing the one section like the problem. I got a sample here. Now this ain't 100% correct. Like this term here, identifying the problem. I mean, that should be problem statement. But one of the things you need to make sure is that you're putting your references in when you're writing. Okay, so like this one here is pretty good under references, on the different citations. Um, Also, you shouldn't be using first person, like when I did this or when I did that, because then that comes across in a paper, in a formal paper that's going to be given to somebody. It comes across as a personal opinion instead of research. All right. So everything you put in your paper should be based on the articles and the research you found. All right, and so we've kind of purposely designed this capstone so that you have 5 weeks to work on it, so that you can progress each week. You're not doing like different assignments; it all works together. So, like in week 2, when you submit that part of your paper, it's going to be the same document that you started out in week 1 with. You're just adding on to it to the next section. Like so here we have the problem. So now next week you would just pick up on the next part, whatever it might be, the analysis, and see this part's missing a section in here. But I'm just showing you this as an example. But again, um, she had the references in here, all right, for everything coming up with. All right, so make sure you're looking at the template. Also, if you need a sample, I may have sent you a sample already, but if you need one, I'll send it. Let me know. And other than that, I'll let you go. All right. So I got my test. So you only got a test question for a couple more weeks, right? So there we are. 8-year-old grandkid picked up from school and did something. So with that, I'm gonna let you go. And if you got don't progress. If you got questions or whatever, get in touch with me and let me know. All right. That'll do it. Have a great week. Hope you're not having weather problems, and we'll talk to you next time.